How smooth is a Duckett Paradigm Baitcaster with a Duckett Micro Magic Pro rod? Let's find out. How about 4 seconds hang time? That equals about 100 feet. Smooth as silk and cast far. Nice hit right by the boat. Come on, I know you're not hooked the best. Let's have a look at you. A lot of times when the conditions are rougher like this, the fish turn on. This guy's got the front hook in his mouth. Gorgeous walleye. Gotta get the net. Yeah. Come here, you gorgeous looking thing, you. There he is. Good fish. Boy, that was fun. It's got to control the boat in this wind. Make sure we don't spin around. And I'm going to give you a look at this guy. Gold. We call these guys gold sometimes because they're so pretty, and also they taste so good. This guy's got tons of energy. He's unhooking himself for me, which is great. Got one there. One there. Always good to have the pliers handy. And let's just have a nice look at this guy. Look at pretty fish. Very healthy. You know, I judge eating walleye by the width of his fillets on the back. But this guy is going to be released. So let me just see what he measures here. He is 18, 19, just over 20. Beautiful fish. I'm going to put him in the net for a minute while I take my hooks out. Calm down, little fella. You're going to be released in a minute here. Okay, lines out. Let's get him back in the water. Shouldn't. Oh boy, he's ready to go. Come on. There he goes. You know, normally when I'm fishing in windy conditions, I don't use a baitcaster because it's tougher to cast into the wind. But today I'm using the Paradigm. It's from Duckett right here. It's an excellent baitcaster matched with the Duckett Micro Magic Pro rod. This one is 7 feet long. See, it's pretty long. I'll tell you what, it casts smooth. It's nice because you can adjust the tension right here, and you can also adjust the magnets right here. So when you work those in tandem, you can really find the sweet spot where you can cast even into the wind with no problem. You know, the crankbait that I'm using is pretty light. Just get this out of the pliers here. Put it back where they belong. The crankbait that I'm using is pretty light. It's made out of balsa wood, but there's no problem making nice long casts. So I'm on the big weed bed right now. You can see right here. So I'm going to try motoring out and still making a few casts here. Boy, that was exciting. Look at, no problem casting into the wind. That was about I'm going to say a 50-foot cast, maybe 60. You can probably hear the wind. I can hear the wind lapping on the shoreline. But you know what? Walleyes turn on when it gets windy. So I also like the speed of this Duckett reel. I can retrieve that crankbait, so I've got a really nice wobbling action from side to side. Let's get it out there. Boom. The only thing is you got to really focus to make sure that you're cranking gently, not too fast, and that when you hit a weed you snap the rod so you can snap the weeds off. Okay, let's get another one.